butt. They're in my pocket.
I didn't say anything. Okay. I do what I want.
I'm gonna move it this way. Oh my god, no. Oh, a beach.
This is the middle portion of the segment. We've already done the greeting and blah, blah, blah. And now we've got our chicken prepped, which we're going to show up on our Facebook tutorial. And we've got everything together and we're going to make our brine. So that's where we're going to start from. Okay, is there anything you want to add commentary to this at all? You're going to talk at all or no?
No one wants to hear that.
Well, then I don't need you.
I don't need you either. Bye.
Guess we're breaking up then. Where do I start now?
Chicken, I'm back.
Oh my god! So we've been filming all this bullshit.
And then you're like...
Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit.
Wait 5 seconds, then
Okay,
stop.
Mom. Yada yada yada. Works, it snaps on very tightly to your bucket. And beautiful Abby. It's childproof. Maybe it's not. You know what? We're gonna put the whole thing in. Alright, Abby, so we're gonna start with the salt because that needs to be stirred in very thoroughly.
This one looks like sugar. You sure it's not sugar? It's salt.
Lots of garlic.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so you know what? I need to stop saying okay. I'm gonna count how many times I say okay.
Yeah, you say okay every
I was noticing that when we were editing these videos.
time.
Okay, so alrighty then. Okay, so. I'm standing in you. Yeah. Hey, it's from Sunkiss. That sucks to be me.
You say now.
It's a challenge for me to not say okay.
Okay, my turn. Wait, whatever.
You didn't even know what we were gonna say.
Let's stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Funsies.
I'm just gonna throw most of this in one container. You got a hot date or something, Abby? Brian is ready.
You're about to say okay.
Ah, that's so hard. Oh, for goodness sakes.
This is chicken though. It's not turkey.
I was joking.
Pumped with hormone.
We're having a day today. You're on.
I'm on crack.
You on something, girl.
Oh yeah, buddy. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Okay.
Can you not do all that?
I mean, it's fun.
You're like.
I have a sports bra on.
That's wonderful,
Fine.
sweetheart.
Oh wait, the camera's still on.
It is.
Fart.
Stop with that, please. Please stop with that, or I'm gonna make you change your shirt. Put your hands somewhere. I'm gonna take the meat killer and smash your
like
fingers
this.
so that
Hi, welcome back to another episode of
so they
I'm
can't
Abby.
move.
Yep.
Yeah.
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 All right.
That was weird.
Okay, so I just.
I said so when you started. I just don't
Freaking
want you to...
stop! You're killing me, bro. I've got the chicken out, and I've got. So you just really fucking.
Sorry, I just don't want our voices to.
You and your nose. I want to rub this on me like a cologne. It smells.
No, not like that.
It smells so good. I mean, I could just eat this whole thing. Cleaning out the smoker sucks. We have to do that tomorrow. Not looking forward to that. That is just stupid good. These onions are delicious. The smoked garlic.
Why do you smack your lips so much? You're gonna have garlic and onion breath later. It's gross. That's why they shouldn't make smell-o-tube. That's why you should never be vegetarian.
Vegetarians don't suck. Their diet sure does.
So good.
Smack, 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 smack.
It's so close.
That wraps another episode, bro.